Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you how I organize my life and how I make use of Notion. I think it is a really powerful productivity app and I discovered it a couple months ago but couldn't figure out a good system for it. So I quit, then tried it again, then quit again, and this summer I finally made it work. Let me show you how I did it. First of all, I have two workspaces, personal and school. Personal includes my personal goals, video ideas, anything related to what I want to do in life. And school is what I do at school and I don't care about. So first of all, I have Quick Note. What is Quick Note? It's just a page that I usually write things when I'm on the go because I don't have time to organize it. For now, here I have the script for two videos that are not related to YouTube. They are for Fiverr. Please check out my Fiverr account, I need some money please. Then I have video ideas, and video ideas is organized based on my channels. I have the travel channel, which is my main channel with 41 subscribers, self-development, which is this one, and 2gang is my channel with a friend, which is actually growing super fast, and you can check it out right on the card up there. And I categorize them on not started, in progress, and completed. Oh no, now you're gonna know what videos I'm gonna make. Habit tracker is something I added a couple days ago. I was looking in the template section and I found this really cool thing. So every day I mark some things that I want to improve. If I've done them, if I haven't done, here's the thing. I mark if I went running because due to quarantine I've been quite lazy and didn't exercise, so now I'm going on a run every morning. Actually I skipped it this morning. So then I have seek discomfort, which is a really cool feature I added. So there are these guys called YesTheory on YouTube that tell the message that you should seek discomfort. So here I write one uncomfortable thing I did every single day. I think it will help me, and I like noting it down so I can see my progress. Then I have cold shower, which please wait, don't go in the comments yet, okay? So there are some benefits to cold showering and I'm experimenting with it right now. I'll probably make a video at the end of August about it. And last but not least, I have screen time in minutes. So every day I go on my phone, see at screen time, see how much I spent it, and I write it here. As you can see, I spend quite a lot on my phone, but I have a reason. So first of all, I film my videos on my phone, so I don't actually stay on the screen, but it still counts as screen time. And second of all, there is this app that I scan things with, and I'm currently in the process of scanning all my school notebooks because I'm gonna have a big exam and I don't want to look through 16 different notebooks. So I'm scanning them and it takes about 1 hour per notebook. Task list is the things I need to do, the things I'm doing, and the things I've done. I like having a Notion open at all times because if something comes to mind, I can quickly add it to do, and I all the time see here what I need to do. Reading list is where I keep track of what I'm reading for my own interests, not for school. So I have a lot of self-development books, and you can also check this out with the link in the description or the link on the channel page. It is made public, so you can check it out too. I think you can actually duplicate it, so if you want to have a template, there you go. Dreams is where I write down my night dreams when I remember them. So it is really good to write what you dream down because it helps you remember your dreams more often. And I think you can even control the dream at one point if you write it down and remember your dream every day. It is something I'm fascinated by and I want to try. I will announce you when I can control my night dream. Monthly goals is the goals I set on the first of each month. When I added this at the middle of the month, so it's just been 2 weeks since I added it, but I like it so far. So as you can see, I almost did everything, but I don't think I'll be able to help my friend learn video editing, because I need to figure out something, because DaVinci Resolve is not working on his computer, and I think I know why. Yearly goals is something I set on the first of every year. Can you imagine that? Wow! Well, I added this also at the middle of the month. So let's see what dreams I have. I want to get this. I want to get at least one channel to 100 subscribers. So please hit that subscribe button because it really helped me out. I also want to make an educational platform, which I'm actually doing with a colleague right now. Oh, it's going so good so far, but I don't know if I want to get a domain or use the free weeks domain. And my third objective for this year is to teach a friend how to video edit, because I will be in the 8th grade, which is a really important grade in Romania, because I have to take a big exam that classifies me for high school. So I might not be able to edit my videos all the time, so I want to have a backup editor. And last but not least, journal. I've been trying journaling, skipped it, tried it again, skipped it, tried again. I tried it this morning, it's been okay. I don't journal on a daily basis, but if I feel really stressed, I know I can have it here. So here is what I write. I don't just write what comes to mind, so as you can see in my template, I write 3 things I'm grateful for, 3 things that I'm stressed by, 3 things that happened, and 3 things that I did that day. It's a fast way to get journaling done and you don't get bored. Now let's hop to the school workspace. I can do that by pressing Command 2 and it switches the workspace automatically. So I have homework, where I will write my homework down so I can keep track of it, and I think this is a much better way than how I used to do it before. So I write the homework, I put the class that I have to do it for. So let me check, see, I added all the classes that I usually get homework for. I add the due date, and when it's done I just press here and it's done. So I can see a little color in front of the homework I've done, and if it's not done I see that it's empty there. Reading list is mainly for my summer homework, so these are the books I'm reading right now, and I can even press open here and I can write the book report right in here and everything I need to do for the summer homework. And it's a really good way to organize things. So here is what I'm looking for to categorize. So the book, the author, the language, because I have to read for Romanian and English, and the status, if I read it, if I'm reading it, if I download it, if it is delivered, if I didn't order it yet, etc. To cap it all, we have exam, where I'm writing most of the lessons I've done in gymnasium, because as I told you earlier with the notebooks, I don't want to look through 16 notebooks, so I want to write everything down to have it all organized, and it will also be on my educational platform that I'm working with the classmate. So that was all, guys. Thank you for watching. Share with me in the comments if you also use Notion or if you are planning to, and if you want any of the templates that I use, let me know in the comments and I will share with you the link. Thank you for watching. Bye.